Hello, my name is Santiago, and my favorite soccer team is FC Barcelona. I had supported Barca for many years because I love the way they play. Their style of soccer is creative, fast, and full of teamwork. I admired how they always try to control the ball and attack with beautiful passes. Watching players like Messi, Xavi, and Iniesta made me fall in love with the team ever more. For me, Barcelona represents passion, talent, and history. I like how the club stands for me than just soccer. It's about values, respect, and pride. Every time I see them play, I feel excited and inspired. That's, that's why Football Club Barcelona will always be my favorite team.